turn this around. And now you cut this really, really fine. Really fine.
I am done chopping.
Good. You gotta watch, boy. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh, I want to use it all. Brandy's disgusting.
Julian,
What?
here, look. I'm putting my onions in. You put your onions in.
There's an icicle for.
Yeah, I know. You should have said it earlier. Now it's too late.
The hell?
See? And now you do that. Okay? And now you're gonna put all this in this pot.
Don't have a bigger pot?
Sure you don't scoop.
Julian. Here, take this.
Yeah.
And put it in here.
Okay.
Okay, Till? Listen. Let's put a little bit more over. There.
So when I grab some stuff, it's okay. It won't just.
Okay. You put this back. And guess what?
What?
This is our French onion soup.
Grandpa bless the soup.
Okay.
Bless.
Tell me when.
I am now.
Okay, Julian.
Yeah.
Now we are making a slice like this. Well, let's do two, right? Like this.
Yes. Yes.
And
yes.
put that in there.
Okay.
Just one more label, that's good enough. Julian, I don't want you to burn yourself, so I'm going to put them in here. See? Now that's what we do. And now watch this.
Can I do it? I
Yeah.
want to do it.
Lay it nicely on top. One this way. No.
Oh.
See, this way.